Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Game & Watch. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start on the top left and we're going to draw the nose with a large curve out and back in. Then underneath, let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a small curve down. Curve it over to the right and back around. Now let's finish off the shape of the head. Starting at the top, let's draw a large circular curve around and back up to the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's draw a curve down, underneath, around, and up. Now on each side, we're going to draw the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw two large curves out. And then add a circular curve around the end for the hand. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw two curves out and up for the other arm. And a curve around the end for the hand as well. Now that we're done the arms, let's hop down and draw the legs. Let's start on the right side and let's draw two curves going out like this. Now for the foot, let's curve it up and out from the top. And a small curve down at the bottom. And then close off the bottom of the foot. Now for the next leg, let's hop to the bottom left and let's draw two curves down and over. And then for the foot, let's curve it out and down on the left side. Now from the right line, let's continue it out. Curve it down. And close off the bottom of the foot. Now that we have the shape of the body, we're going to hop out and we're going to draw an outline around. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve around the nose. And then let's work our way around the entire body to add an outline. And that's it for Mr. Game & Watch. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!